The Merry Medley event on Rollercoin is in full swing, and there are lots of great rewards and prizes to be won, and you can get those quite easily as well. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Rollercoin have the Merry Medley event going on right now, and it is in full swing, and it's going to be going on for the next 11 days or so. On my screen here you can see my homeroom on Rollercoin, and on the side here you can see the Merry Medley event. There are currently 10 days, 21 hours and 20 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. This actually started yesterday, and that means that there was approximately around 12 days for the event. If we click on the event here, we can go into more detail of what it's all about. So basically here you have a progression bar where you can collect these snowflakes, okay? So when you collect a total of 4 snowflakes, you'll get this miner here. If you click on it, it'll give you more details. That's the Dragon Breath with 50 terahash of power. If you get 8, there's this one here, Santa Sleigh, 160 terahash. 12, you've got the Candy Sweet at 250 terahash. And here as well, you've got more if you get 16. So that's 682 terahash for 16 snowflakes, okay? Now currently at the moment I have gotten 2 snowflakes, I believe, and here you can get the reward. So you'll get the reward of a snowflake if you complete these tasks here. There are 10 days, 21 hours, as I said, remaining at the time of recording this video, and for each and every task you will get that single snowflake, okay? So each and every task you complete. So if I win 60 games, then I'll be able to get another snowflake here. There are a total of 16 of these snowflakes to be claimed, and I've currently gotten these 2 so far. So basically when you're completing your daily quests, they're going to make up part of this event as well. So if I open lucky cases, lucky RLT cases, I'm going to be getting some of these. You don't need to necessarily get loads of them. You can get, for example, 12 and get one of these snowflakes. But if you do 16 of these, okay, so here, if we just see how many there are, so I've got 2 already, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if you do them all, you'll get to the last miner here. Now, obviously, while you're doing these tasks, you're also completing the daily and weekly quests as well, so you're getting even more rewards. The prizes for whatever one you complete, so let's say I exchange 3 RLT, I've got to exchange another 2 at the moment, and I'll be able to get another snowflake, and I'll get a reward. Each time you're getting a snowflake, you're getting one of these rewards at random. So down here, this is what it says: complete tasks and get rewards. Each completed task will bring you a random reward. Check out the possible rewards on the event postcard that you can see here. Completing tasks also fills the progression bar. All tasks hold equal value and you earn 1 point each. Now the 1 point is the snowflake, 1 snowflake there. The progression bar is divided into 4 levels. Upon reaching each level, you will get a reward, okay? So that's exactly what I'm explaining right now. So for 4 snowflakes, I'm going to get to the first one, okay? So far I have 2, so I'm halfway there. But again, remember that for each snowflake that you are actually getting, so for each task that you do, you will also get rewards down here. So not only will that count towards the progression bar here and getting potentially miners up in the progression bar, but you're also getting additional rewards down here at random, okay? So you could be maybe lucky and do the first one, and you might get Granny's Cake, okay, and get 125 terahash with 2% bonus. So look at these rewards here, okay, because the bonuses especially are important, especially if you don't have the miners already. And if you do, you can always merge them, okay? So there are some quite good miners here. There is the Sweet Noel as well at 440 terahash with 2% bonus as well. So that is quite powerful. There is also a 2 petahash for 7-day power up. Okay, so you're going to literally increase your power instantaneously for a whole week, and you're going to get 2 petahash if you actually manage to get this one. Okay, so far I've revealed 1 here and 1 down here. So these are being opened up at random. Okay, and there is also another 1 petahash here as well that you could potentially get. That's for 7 days as well. So I just wanted to point out that this event, the Merry Medley event, is now live, and there are some great rewards that you can actually get from the event and from the progression bar at the top here as well on the same event. Okay, so be sure to check this out if you haven't already, and be sure to complete those tasks, because again, they will also count towards your daily and weekly tasks. So you're literally not only getting double the rewards potentially here, when you get 4 snowflakes for each and every 4 that you do, you're actually getting double the rewards, because you're getting 1 from here and 1 from here, but you're also getting even other rewards doing the tasks, because you're getting the weekly and daily tasks as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You get loads of gifts this holiday season with Rollercoin and the Merry Medley event. Also remember that if you have not yet registered to Rollercoin, you can do so using my referral link down in the description below this video, and that will automatically give you 1000 Satoshi to start you off on Rollercoin, and that will help you to buy your first rack, for example, so that you can actually start to get involved in the game a little faster as well. So that should help you out too. Okay, so be sure to click my link in the description below this video to sign up to Rollercoin if you're not already on the game. And I want to take this opportunity as well to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2024. I hope that it will be a healthy and safe one for you as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and smash the like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.